Hi! So for my entry today, we are in Nashville, Tennessee, kung saan lumaki si Taylor Swift, si Miley Cyrus, yan. So, ang first stop is itong hotel. Actually, pinag-drive kami ng boss namin dito from Atlanta to Nashville for almost 5 hours ata yun. Sinong boss magdadrive sa'yo, diba? Kudos talaga sa boss namin. Etong first stop namin is yung hotel. If I'm not mistaken, this is Renaissance Hotel sa downtown. Amazed talaga ako sa chandelier nila. Oh. Ang ganda. Ito yung view sa my room namin. Hindi na ako nag-video nung room tour kasi nahiya ako. Tsaka kinailangan kong buksan agad yung laptop ko kasi naalala ko may meeting ako. Ang nakakatawa pa, akala ko on time pa ako. Pero may difference pala na 1 hour yung Atlanta and Nashville. Kaya na-miss ko na yung meeting ko before. Kinabahan pa ako ng sobra. But anyway, nireschedule ko na lang siya. So after namin magpahinga and then mag-wash up, bumaba na kami. Nag-brunch na rin kami dito. Siguro around $25 yung nagastos ko. Next naming pinuntahan is itong Grand Ole Opry House. Para siyang pinagpa-performan ng mga musician sa Nashville. Usually, mga pinaperform nila dito is mga country songs. So, if may mga sikat na personality or like singers, probably nag-perform na sila dito. So, ayun, nagpo-photo op lang kami dito sa mga gitara, ganyan. Habang hinihintay namin yung friend ni Tita Charisse, yung asawa ng boss namin. Sobrang swerte namin dito kasi nilibre kami ng ticket ng friend ni Tita Charisse para dito sa backstage tour.
Okay, doon sa banda doon para ano. Ang ganda.
Ini-imagine ko dito nung pagpunta ko is kung ano yung nararamdaman ng mga nangangarap lang makapag-perform dati dito. Tapos magpa-perform na sila, like for example, Taylor, sila Miley siguro, ganyan. Saka yung mga other country music artists. May time lang sila kung kailan sila nagpapapasok. And yung duration ng tour is around 30 minutes to 45 minutes ata yun. So if jam-packed yung schedule niyo for today, mag-alat kayo ng time. Bawal din palang mag-video sa loob, pero pwede kang mag-picture. Kaya papakita ko dito yung mga pictures na kinuha namin sa loob.
The other day, my girl had done left me all broken up in the car. Had to break it to me, she was breaking up with me. I didn't know she would take it that far. And all my buddies say, what do you do when a girl just sets you free? I said, guys, I'm not worried, I've got a plan, it's called country music therapy.
Bye, Opry House! Sa tapat lang ng Opry House yung Madame Tussauds. Ayun yung sunod namin pinuntahan. Yung may mga figurines, yung may mga wax figures ng mga ng mga artista, celebrities, ganyan. Excited na ako dito makita si Taylor Swift kasi nandito daw si Taylor Swift. And sabi din pala nung kaibigan ni Tita Charisse, lahat ng mga artists na nandito, sila mismo nag-visit doon para i-confirm kung kamukha talaga nila, may dapat bang baguhin, ganyan sa ilong, sa mata, sa kulay ng mata, sa taas tatangkad nila, sa taba nila, yung mga ganyan at that time. So, yun yung ganun ka-precise nila ginagawa yung mga wax figures dito. Tsaka dapat approved siya nung mismong tao na nandun. I mean, yung wax figures na nandun.
That's the one Jimmy Dickens. Remember the one that they and then this is I think. Wala. Ang daming tanong na.
Ito, hindi ko kilala. Si Whitney Houston ba to? kung kani-kanina na lang ako dyan nagpipicture eh, kahit hindi ko masyadong kilala kung sino. Ayan. Pero maganda yung mga presentations nila, yung mga pictures na nandyan. Grabe, ang intricate pa. The most awaited part. Hi, Oma. Ikaw ba talaga to? Oh my gosh. Eyes.
Ganda kasi nung ano niya, eye makeup.
Lips.
Ganda mo naman. Ganda talaga.
Hawakan ko din.
Lingging talaga.
Ignore si Michael Jackson.
Si Taylor Swift.
In-ignore niyo si Michael Jackson for Taylor Swift.
Mama T in the house. Sino to? Queen Bee. Oh, ganda. Wow!
Don't forget the...
Isa ba ulit? Ano mo?
Parang nakalunok na ka na.
Ito yung next naming destination. Ang pangalan niya, Gaylord Hotel. Yeah, Lord ng mga gay. Yung muna parang nakakatawa kang pakinggan. Pero yun talaga yung pangalan niya. Gaylord Hotel. Tapos para siyang brand. Ito yung may siya, hotel lines, ganyan. Tapos sa iba-ibang parte ng Amerika. Yan ang ganda niya. Diba? Para siyang dome. Tapos may river dyan, man-made river nila. Doon, nag-riverboat tour din kami. Baby Brick again. Oh my God. Yan.
Good afternoon, everybody. Hope you're all doing well today. Including Timberland We are the largest hotel in North America without a casino. And we're the 16th largest hotel footprint in the entire world. You guys have also noticed we have one fancy hotel. Across our 3 ATMs inside the hotel, we have over 50,000 places. We also have orange trees, cranberry trees, papaya trees, pineapple guava trees, and banana trees. Some of you are on us. Now, unfortunately, because we don't have insects in the hotel, such as bees and water sources in the local area, and send that water back to us. In total, we got about 1,700 gallons representing all 50 together with water from the Cumberland River here in Nashville and made this river that we're sailing on today. It can fit up to 7,000 people meters now, and if you were saying those destinies back then, look at those windows, you would not be looking at the beautiful atrium they have today. You would actually be looking at a parking lot and tennis court. The original hotel was just Nashville history for you guys. Back in 2010, Nashville streamed a dissipating star. It affected a lot of memories. This is a nice point to go to walk and do it for yourself. There's 9 acres of land in total, covering up the glass roof. 4.5 acres in this atrium. Each one of those glass things you see weighs about 250 pounds, and there's 6,000 feet. So I'm not kidding when I say that it's on the glass river. That glass can was handled under the 100 railway and golf course like that. Look at this one, it's like 700 acres. So when I left the house, so how much I was 7 and I was 700. That shows you my team can't wait. When I show something on that, so it's good. They just want to breathe.
Kaya natin to yung memory na to. Pag babalik natin Pilipinas, parang ano na lang to. Parang dream. Oh, parang panaginip na lang natin. Dito tayo. Ay! Tennessee!
Tennessee Waltz.
Nashville. Opryland. Gaylord Opryland.
Madame Tussauds.
Tussauds.
Madame Tussauds.
Bumalik na kami sa downtown for our dinner. Hindi ko na na-videohan eh. Pero nakikiupo ka sa isang table with other strangers tapos magpapasa kayo ng food. Maganda siyang way to socialize pero kung introvert ka baka ma-overwhelm ka. So mas maganda may kasama. Dito kami pumunta after ng dinner. Para siyang bar tapos may moonshine tasting dito. Parang liquor, ganyan. Actually lambanog daw siya sabi nung asawa ng boss namin. Tapos may iba-ibang flavor siya. Sikat to sa Tennessee pero hindi ako nag-try uminom niyan kasi natatakot ako baka sumakit yung ulo ko and yun siya umatake yung GERD ko. So, mas maganda ng safe. Pero ayan siya. Ayan, pinag-videohan ko yung mga flavors. Tapos ayan, meron din silang other products. Ito yung close-up look. Ayan. Parang natatay. Charot lang. Nakalimutan ko na yung exact na amount kung magkano yung light tasting dito. Pero parang $20 ata yun. $20 to $30. Depende kung ilang flavors na titikman mo or lahat ng flavors titikman mo. Parang ganun. Side note lang kung ba't ang GGSS ko dito. Kasi feeling ko parang ang liit ng pores ko dito.
Yeah, ito may mga rooftop, puro light band yan.
Ito na yung last na pupuntahan namin. Ito yung parang red light district nila. Tsaka parang ito yung pinaka main na pinupuntahan ng mga tao, lalo na if pag sinabing Nashville, yung honky tonk. OMGB, legit yung lamig dito. Buti na lang naka-gloves ako niyan. May dala ako, may bawon ako nung una kasi hindi mo siya makifeel. Pero pag nagtagal, makifeel mo na siya. February kami pumunta dito 2024. I know, it's been a long time, pero wala, ngayon lang nagka-time. Ngayon ko lang na pag-ayos-ayos yung mga schedules ko. Yung mga videos. Yan.
Lalakad-lakad lang kami dito mga past.
Pero syempre, habang naglalakad, naghahanap na rin tayo dito ng mga vitamin I, as in sa mata. Vitamin sa mata. Alam mo yun, syempre nasa US na rin tayo. Marami din tayo nakita dyan. And syempre hindi tayo halata. Dalagang Pilipina kaya to. Charot. Pero yarn. Oh, ayan. Footage you can smell. Sa cycle sila para umandar. Ito yung red light district nila, charot. Red light district.
We're now going to perform the most famous song ever from Australia. Everyone's favorite Australian band, Men at Work. Just in the spring, Arkansas, I hear you calling. I know I'll see you soon. Ever do you let up in mama underneath that firewall? You will live.
Yung pala yun. Legends. Binalikan namin yung The Stage kasi magaganda yung mga pinapatugtog nila. Hirap nga lang makisiksik kasi maliit ako. Pero, ang mahalaga,
sweetheart.